You don't eat anything for more than say 12 hours and you check your blood glucose level. It's like very high. Morning you wake up, your fasting blood glucose level is say less than 100. You do heavy workouts. After that you check your blood glucose level. It's like 180, 190. There are so many confusing things when you are diabetic. In this video I'm going to talk about reasons for spike in blood glucose level other than food. When you have food, when you have sweet food, when you have food with high carbohydrates, definitely your blood glucose level can spike up. That is something known to everybody. But there are so many reasons which would spike your blood glucose level other than food. First one is heavy workouts. When you work out very heavily, your blood glucose level could spike. It's not that always it will spike. For me, I have tested it, it spikes. I do heavy weight training. I work out really hard. I really give tough time to my body, which really spikes my blood glucose level. And that's not like it spikes for a long time, it's for few, maybe 1 hour or 1.5 hours, it comes back to normal. The reason is that when we work out really hard, when we take our body to a different level, we test our body, we push ourselves very high. What happens is when we go really tough with our body, hormones like cortisol, adrenaline is released into the bloodstream, which is very natural. It happens to all human beings. That becomes the reason for spike in blood glucose level. So there is nothing much to worry about, and there is nothing much you can do. I heard a tip that if you have some garlic, empty stomach or just before your workouts, you can keep your cortisol level low and your blood glucose level may not spike. I tried it, but I didn't find very big difference, but there was some difference. So I don't want to claim that that's the big solution for this. Second thing is proper sleep. If you don't have proper sleep, your blood glucose level will go up. It's tested, I have experienced it. So, sleep is really very important, and you can find online information on that. If you don't have proper sufficient sleep, your blood glucose level will be out of control. So, make sure that you sleep at least 6 to 8 hours every day, give sufficient rest to your body. Sleep is very important for your good health. The third one is smoking or use of tobacco. Not just smoking, if you're using this pan parag and this gutkas, that also will spike your blood glucose level. I would suggest you quit smoking or using tobacco today itself. If you're diabetic or if you are in diabetic also, it's good to stop using tobacco. Tobacco is no way good for your health. It is really going to give you trouble on a long run. Fourth one is medication. There are many medication which could spike your blood glucose level, especially steroids. If you take steroids, your blood glucose level will spike. There are asthmatic people who could be diabetic and they are using steroids, their blood glucose level will be high. So it's better if you can avoid steroids, talk to your doctor, and always when you go for any treatment, any illness, if you're having fever or anything, you need to first inform your doctor that you are diabetic and you are taking so medications, which is very important. Mostly the doctor would ask you, but it's your responsibility that when you go to any medical facility or any treatment, you inform that you are diabetic. So, some medication can spike your blood glucose level, which you need to check and try to avoid if possible. Fifth one is stress. Stress is a very big reason for spike in blood glucose level. I have personally experienced it. So, see, there are times when I don't eat any food, I'm just working whole day, or I am really going through some stress. My blood glucose level will be very high. Even after taking medication, it doesn't come under control. Because when you get into stress, there are so many hormones like cortisol, adrenaline, which is released into the bloodstream, which is not really good for health. If you are always stressed, your blood glucose level will be out of control. So it's very important to manage your stress. In this video, I'm not going to talk about how to manage your stress. There are many ways. You need to find solutions to your problems and get rid of stress if you're diabetic, or even for a very healthy life, you need to come out of stress. So, these were the few reasons other than food which could spike your blood glucose level. Hope this video is informative. If you have any other information related to or reasons which could spike blood glucose level other than food, please let me know in the comments, and any other input would be valuable. If you are new here, consider subscribing. On this channel, I post videos related to fighting diabetes, share my experiences fighting diabetes. That's all for now. Bye. Take care.